Good morning, student. Welcome back. Today I discuss graphics in PowerPoint 2010. Previous class I discussed introduction part, but today I discuss how to inserting image. Class 6, chapter number 4. My dear student, how to inserting the image. So first of all point, inserting image. Inserting image. PowerPoint allow us to insert image from the clip art gallery. PowerPoint insert image allow to clip art gallery. Clip art gallery. Where is the clip art gallery in PowerPoint? Just hold. I again repeat, PowerPoint allow to insert image from the clip art gallery. This clip art gallery to add pictures store. Pictures store in the computer. In the computer. Again I repeat. What is the inserting image? So PowerPoint allow to insert image in form of clip art gallery. Clip art gallery mainly related to put to the all such type of picture in this particular area. This is the clip art gallery. My dear student, you first of all open to the PowerPoint. There are first open to the PowerPoint. Suppose this is the PowerPoint. PowerPoint 10, PowerPoint 13, PowerPoint 16, PowerPoint 19. Same function applicable. Don't worry. Inserting clip art image. My topic is inserting clip art image. This is the one dialog box appear in front of you. My dear student, just open to the new slide and you suppose you change this slide. I discuss in the theoretical part, but today I discuss the theoretical part. You just change to the other slide. You open to the PowerPoint and then upper part is the related to home, insert, and just below part in the new slide. You just click to the new slide. The PowerPoint apply the so many slides in front of you. So you just put the heading slide. This is the heading slide. And suppose my heading name is Modern International School. You write down in this area Modern International. Suppose I write down. And this is the slide, because there are so many such type of slide. You just click to the new slide. There are so many such type of slide in front of you. Then you choose the heading slide. And this is you write down to the in this area, and the mouse pointer give in this area. There are 6 such type of name is available in this particular area. You just click, you just hold, you just mouse pointer is the hold, and the 6 such type of involved in this area, particular area. The middle point, this point is click in the here. This point click. There are 6 area, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The third area below part in the middle, below and the middle part area, you just click. This is the clip art area. This area is the clip art. This area is the clip art area. You just click to the in this area and just click to clip art area, and the clip art area dialog box appear in front of you. And again, you have insert the clip art image without and in clip art area, and in this dialog box appear in front of you, and choose the any such type of picture. Suppose you choose the Model International School diagram. So just click in this area and the dialog box open, and you select to the picture and just hold in this picture. The all our pictures show in this particular slide. This is the clip art. My again topic, in case you insert the clip art image. Clip art image you insert without using the placeholder. Without using the placeholder means I am not placed in this area. My mouse pointer I am not working with in this area. Without use to the clip art area, how to insert to the image? My dear student, you first of all you click the clip art option and go to the image group. This is the all such type of practical part, but today I discussed the theoretical part. My dear student, you go to the clip art image and you go to the clip art option and go to the image group. You just click to the clip art and the one image group in front of you. There are so many such type of image. Suppose this is the school image, this is the garden image. There are so many such type of image. You load in this computer system and go to the insert tab. This is the home tab and to the insert tab. And you go to the insert tab and to the open clip art task pane. You just click to the insert and there are so many such type of option in the insert menu, but you click clip art task pane. Clip art task pane. I again repeat. Any such type of picture draw in this particular slide, you just the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 area in front of you, but you click to the middle part, below the middle part area. This is the clip art. You just click the clip art area and the one dialog box appear in front of you, and where is the Modern International School image in this computer system, you just select and to the insert, the automatically picture is withdraw in this particular area. But again, in case you to insert clip art without using the placeholder, I am not used in this area. So how to insert to the image? So my dear student, you just click to the clip art option and clip art option in the image group. To the insert tab, you go to the insert tab and just click to the clip art task pane. You go to the insert tab and just click to the clip art insert pane. The clip art insert pane is open. You just click, this is the open, and the open to the clip art task pane. The search for box, enter the one box appear in front of you. So then this is the search box. So then the search box, enter the suitable keyboard to the type the image. Suppose this is the search box and you just click. Suppose my image is Model International School. Model International School, and just OK. So where the image in put in this computer system, because there are so many such type of driver in this computer, C, D, E, F, mainly 4 partition, and document, download, library. So where the picture in this computer system, they just click to the OK, the picture is automatically open in front of you, and click to the go button. Click to just open to the picture and just click to the go button. Just click to the go button, list of image to the appear. There are so many such type of image in front of you. Modern internet, where the image, when the image download in this computer system, all image is open in this particular area. Just select to the Modern International School image. The one time click, and then to the enter, and then to the insert. You just click to the Modern International School, and the one dialog box appear in front of you. This is the insert. You just click to the insert. The all our picture is automatically withdraw in this particular area. So this is the main use of the inserting image. My dear student, this is the practical part, but I hope every student clear, not understand clear. Tomorrow I discuss to the practical part. Thank you so much.